The legendary tech distributor Avnet has announced its riveting tech games once again. Appropriately hosted at the University of Advancing Technology, the Avnet Tech Games is a wonderland for anyone even remotely interested in anything with a power button. Love computers? Then sign up for the HP Fastest IoT Computer Build event. But don't be fooled. This event is not just about building a computer the fastest. Jeff Myers, a recent contestant, explains the other aspects of this game.
Computer that's already built, and you have to look at it and figure out, they tell you there's 20 problems minimum with the computer. Some are cosmetic and some have to do with the system, wiring, components and everything. So you have to, with a 30-minute time limit, look and see how many problems you can find.
It's not just the fun and games that make the tech game so great. It's the many opportunities to be had just by being there. Just ask Avnet employees Richard Kisei and Kat Silverman.
Every student that is in the technology sector, it's a highly interesting challenge, but also a very good networking opportunity.
Technology is a part of any job that you're going to have. You can't find a job that doesn't have technology. And if you want to be at the top of your game in whatever career you pick, you need to understand technology and you need to have hands-on experience. And the Avnet Tech Games will give you that.
These games are a breeding ground for legends. Tech legends. To be the best, to be remembered, that's something everyone wants. A legend gives it their all. A legend never shies away from a challenge and always strives to improve themselves.
Become a legend.
Become a legend. Become a legend.
Become a tech game legend.
Reporting from the Avnet Tech Games for Spot 127, Abisade Anasanwo.